is Heli. I'm a Finn from Finland, but I've lived in Rome, in Italy for 10 years. And I'm visiting this shoe museum, which was really interesting, very, very nice, because, I love Spanish shoes. I'm wearing one at the moment, so I think it was really interesting, and all the tour and see the product and learn about the shoemaking history here in Inca. So thank you very much.
My name is Jessica, I'm from the Netherlands, and it's really nice to explore a little bit more of Inca because it has this authentic feeling, like life is just going on while we're like moving around and capture it. And it also has a huge shoe industry, which was really interesting. It doesn't sound that as interesting, but it was really cool to learn more about that. And just like walking through the streets and see all these markets and people just like hanging out with each other, chatting with each other. I saw already a lot of amazing food, so I think that's going to be really nice as well. So yeah, it's a really nice place to get the local vibes of Mallorca.
Yeah, absolutely. So my name's Alex. I'm from the UK and I run a blog called Career Gappers. So I've been here today with the group, visiting the market and the shoe museum and just exploring Inca. It's been very interesting, fascinating place to visit, but best of all has been the food. So we've had the lunch at this cellar restaurant, and we've been absolutely mesmerized by the quality of the local food. Because the guide, Pedro, told us that this is like the gastronomy capital of Mallorca, and we can see why people say this. The food and the wine has been superb.
Hola, me llamo Greta, soy de Italia y mi blog se llama Greta's Travels y hemos pasado el día hoy aquí en Inca a descubrir todo lo que ofrece esta ciudad aquí en el centro de Mallorca y fue súper guay. Fuimos al Museo del Calzado y a comer en una típica silla y hemos descubierto el mercado al abierto, el mercado cubierto y me encantó descubrir un lado un poco menos turístico de la isla, un poco lejos del mar, más en las montañas, en el interior de la isla y toda la gente que hemos encontrado hoy, todo el mundo fue súper amicable, super friendly, amicable. Y me gustó mucho. Vamos a hablar ahora en nuestros blogs. La comida genial. Hemos comido a Raiguer con Ripoll, hemos comido aquí, genial. La comida fue fantástica. Toda la comida local de Mallorca y ¿cómo se llamaba? Sí, todo. Y la sobrasada también me gustó mucho y fue genial. La comida fue fantástica. Y Inca también.